Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create background imagery for your FieldGenius projects using MSCAD. The first step you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to MicroSurvey's help desk website and get the worldfileout command, which is going to let you export this. I've put a link in the description below, but here it is. You're just going to have to download it from the attachment section of this page. The next thing you're going to want to do is just create a new project in MSCAD. Here I'm just going to go ahead and call mine background imagery. And then it's going to bring up your project settings. The main thing you're going to have to look out for here is to make sure you have the right coordinate system. Otherwise, the imagery you're going to get is not going to be centered in the right spot. So once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and go to the Tools menu, and I'm just going to click on Load Application, and that's going to let me load the worldfileout command. If it's not already in my list, I just say Add File, and then I go ahead and choose where I've downloaded that file. I click it, and then I click the Load button, and that brings in the wout command. Next, I'm going to go to the MS Tools menu, and I'm just going to go to Attach Imagery. And I'm just going to make sure Aerial's selected. I do have to agree to Microsoft's terms here. And then I get to specify a lat long. I'm just going to enter the lat long here that I have for my project. And then when I click on search, you can see it pulls up satellite imagery for the project that I have. Now I can make this bigger or smaller just with this resolution slide bar below. If I want better resolution but a smaller image, I can do that. Or if I want to zoom out but it's a little less resolution, I can do that as well. Once I have the view that I want, I just click on OK. And you can see I can't see anything here, but if I just go ahead and go to the View tab, and then I just go to Zoom to Top, you can see right here I have an image of my project. So the next thing I'm just going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go to this command line at the bottom, and I'm going to type wout. And that command is going to let me choose an image here. I'm just going to choose the image we put in. And as you see here, it saved me a PNG file and a PGW file. Now FieldGenius doesn't recognize PNG files, so we need to just change this to a TIFF file. So I'm just going to go to my file explorer here, and you can see the two files down here. Map 18 is the PGW PNG file that we made. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the PGW file into a TFW file, and that's going to let me point to a TIFF image. And then I'm just going to go ahead and open up Microsoft Paint, and I'm just going to bring in that PNG file that we saved, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit File, Save As, and then Other Format, and we're just going to save it as a TIFF file here. Now I have a TIFF file. I can bring that TFW file and the TIFF file to my data collector, and I can load those in FieldGenius. There's another video here I'm putting in the top right corner here that's going to explain how to bring those into your FieldGenius project. But that's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching and have a great day.